Good morning, children. Welcome to our science class. So it is the continuation of our third chapter. Today we are discussing about the structure of flower and their functions. Now I am just take one hibiscus flower. I already dissected the flower, but I am telling about the each part in details. Listen carefully, my dear children. Look at the be careful, very careful. Okay, this is the first part. Can you see the elongated green color structure? So this is a long part which connected to the plants, so that is called pedicel. Now can you see the this part means the pedicel end with another part. So this part is known as thalamus. Okay, once again please listen. This part is called thalamus. What is the function of thalamus? Which hold different parts of the flower. And can you see the green color, protective color case here? I will show you. Yes, this one. This part is called callus. So what is the main function which protect the flower when it is in a bud form? Okay, now the main function of this callus. So this is callus. So which protect the flower which it is in bud form and hold part after it blooms. Okay, now listen the next part. Can you see the color? Colored part next to the callus? So this is called corolla. Okay, now what is the main peculiarity of this corolla? So it is red color. That means it provide a color, smell, that means fragrance, and attractiveness. Okay, provide attractiveness. Now it is called corolla. This part is called corolla. Okay, next one. Okay, next part of the flower. Now I am telling about the reproductive part. Okay, flower is the reproductive organ. Then listen. In the first part I will show you. This is andrecium. Very carefully. Now this andrecium, they are yellow part seen here. Okay, can you see the yellow part? This part is called andrecium. It is composed of anther and filament. Now elongated part. Okay, means andrecium is the male reproductive part. Now discuss the last part. Okay, so this part is called gynoecium. I will show you the next another flower. Okay, gynoecium. So this is gynoecium. I will show you another picture, means diagram or flower. This is called gynoecium. So it is composed of style, then stigma and ovary. Okay, so this part is known as gynoecium. Okay, otherwise known as female reproductive organ. Okay, so now which are the different parts of a flower? First, pedicel. It connect the attached to the plant part. Okay, connect with the plants. The next one is thalamus, which hold different parts of the flower. Then third one is green color and case, that is called callus. What is the function of callus? Which protect the flowers when it is in bud form. Okay, then what is the next one? There is a provide color, fragrance, provide smell and provide color. That part is called corolla. Can you see the corolla in this part? Okay, that is corolla. And what is the next two part? Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. So which is the male reproductive organ? Okay, male reproductive organ is known as andrecium. Okay, So which consists of anther and filament. Okay, this consists of anther. Okay, it consists of anther and one more thing, filament, male reproductive structure. Then can we discuss another one? So that is gynoecium. Can you see the picture of the flower in the textbook? So that they marked gynoecium here. Okay, they marked gynoecium. So what is the name of female reproductive organ of the flower? So that is, no doubt, it is gynoecium. So which are the different parts of the gynoecium? Okay, listen, which are the different parts of gynoecium? Okay, I will tell you. The tip part is called stigma. Okay, stigma, it composed of stigma, then elongated part, style. Okay, elongated part, style, and swollen base is known as ovary. Okay, this is about our different parts of, this is about the structure and the parts of the flower, and we also discussed today the function of each part. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.